Now to the new proposal from New York City Mayor Michael Bloomberg that's being met with some mixed reactions. As we told you on Thursday, he wants to outlaw large sodas and sugary drinks to help fight the obesity epidemic. Mayor Bloomberg is with us this morning.
There's been a lot of talk about the proposed sugary drink ban. In an attempt to understand the proposal, I called the mayor's office, and they sent me these. The New York City Obesity Task Force Plan to Prevent and Control Obesity, a collection of statements in support of the proposal, the notice of public hearing, and the actual proposed amendment of Article 81. 67 pages in total. So I thought I'd try to reduce the sugary drink ban down to a simple explanation. A sort of simple explanation. So, most restaurants have 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. At McDonald's, that's 16 ounces, 21 ounces, and 32 ounces.
His proposal prohibits sugary drinks larger than 16 ounces.
That part makes sense. A large Coke at McDonald's is like drinking 4 8-ounce bottles. It's 104 grams of sugar. We don't need that. Same deal at Subway. Gotta be under 16 ounces. This big guy here is the same as drinking 4.5 cans of Coke while at the movies. That's 175.5 grams of sugar. Starbucks is okay, except for venti. And, of course,
the way it would work is simply those organizations, those industries that we regulate, which are restaurants and movie theaters and cars.
What the mayor just mumbled was that only food service establishments regulated by the city will be affected. So, because they're not regulated by the city, 7-Eleven will still be able to sell whatever size Slurpees they want. And when I get a Subway, I can just walk across the street to get my 54-ounce Coke. And that humongous Starbucks is okay because it's not sweetened by the establishment. I add the sugar. Same with coffee from Dunkin' Donuts. And while you're there, you could grab a 32-ounce Oreo vanilla bean colada with a whopping 150 grams of sugar, because there's also an exception if the drink contains more than 50% milk. Even still, if you wanted to get real weird, you could just go to a drugstore and buy a 2-liter bottle of Coke. Or just buy 2 Cokes. See, preventing people from drinking what they want is not the goal of the ban.
If you want to order 2 cups at the same time, that's fine. It's your choice. We're not taking away anybody's right to do things. We're simply forcing you to understand.
I'll take you out of context right there, Mr. Mayor. Forcing you to understand. People in New York, like people in the rest of America, are fat getting fatter. And whether or not this ridiculous ban passes, it has forced a conversation about why people are getting fat. And that's a good thing.